Defold versus Unity, which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you create and launch games without unnecessary complexity. Defold offers lightweight efficiency, while Unity provides powerful versatility. Defold and Unity are two prominent game engines with distinct approaches. Defold focuses on simplicity and performance for 2D games, while Unity offers a robust, feature-rich platform supporting both 2D and 3D development with extensive tools and community support. Defold is a lightweight, cross-platform game engine designed primarily for 2D game development. It uses Lua scripting for fast prototyping and easy iteration. Defold's architecture emphasizes minimalism, resulting in smaller build sizes and efficient runtime performance. Its scene graph and component systems simplify game object management, making it accessible for indie developers and small teams. Defold integrates seamlessly with popular services for analytics and monetization, streamlining the publishing process. However, it has limitations in 3D capabilities and fewer third-party assets compared to larger engines. The user interface is straightforward but less customizable, which may restrict advanced users. Defold is ideal for developers focused on 2D mobile and casual games, who want a fast, stable engine without the overhead of complex features. Unity is a comprehensive game engine supporting both 2D and 3D development, widely used across industries. It offers a powerful editor, scripting, and an extensive asset store, enabling developers to create complex, high-quality games. Unity supports a broad range of platforms including mobile, desktop, consoles, and AR/VR devices. Its visual scripting tools and large community resources make it suitable for beginners and professionals alike. Unity excels in rendering capabilities and physics simulation, providing advanced features for immersive experiences. However, this power comes with a steeper learning curve and larger build sizes. Performance optimization requires more effort, especially for smaller projects. Unity is best suited for developers targeting diverse platforms, complex game mechanics, or 3D environments who need a versatile and scalable engine. Defold shines in simplicity and speed, perfect for 2D games with tight performance needs and smaller teams. Its minimalistic design reduces overhead and accelerates development cycles. Unity, on the other hand, offers unmatched flexibility and power, supporting both 2D and 3D projects with advanced tools and platform reach. While Unity's feature set is broader, it demands more resources and expertise. For example, an indie developer making a casual mobile game may find Defold's streamlined workflow more efficient. Meanwhile, a studio developing a cross-platform 3D title will benefit from Unity's extensive capabilities. The trade-off boils down to project scope and team size. Defold favors lightweight, focused projects. Unity suits ambitious multi-platform games requiring advanced features. Choose Defold if you want a fast, easy-to-use engine for 2D games with efficient performance and a straightforward development process. Opt for Unity when your project demands versatility, 3D support, and access to a vast ecosystem of tools and assets. Unity's scalability and platform coverage make it ideal for developers aiming for complex, high-quality games across multiple devices.